Now that we've learned how to add a customer and vendor group within QuickBooks Enterprise, let me show you how to edit or delete a customer or vendor group. Let's go to List, then we'll select Manage Groups. Select the customer group you need to make changes for or delete. Select Actions, then select Edit to make changes or delete the group. Make any edits to your fields and values or delete them. Select Next. Choose selected fields to see a summary of the fields that will be used for the customer group. If you need to add customers to the group, you can search by the customer's name. To remove a customer from the group, clear the checkbox next to their name. Select Finish. In this video, we are also going to go through how to email your customer groups. Go to the List menu and select Manage Groups. Select the customer group to email. Select Actions, then select Email. Select the customers to email, then add an attachment, subject line, and message. Select Send Now. And that's all. So, easy peasy. Watch our next video on how to create a restricted role for a customer group in QuickBooks Enterprise. Again, if you liked this video and felt you received value, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you'll be alerted when I create another video like this. Thank you for watching my video.